Welcome to Handyman Rescue Team, your trusted partner for home and office remodeling, repairs, and renovations in the Seattle area and Puget Sound region. We specialize in kitchen and bathroom remodels, flooring and tile installation, custom decks and fences, interior finishes like drywall and painting, and commercial work including office renovations, tenant improvements, and build-outs. Every project is backed by our Crafted with Care commitment, a promise of quality, professionalism, and attention to detail. With clear estimates, licensed crews, and a streamlined process, we make remodeling stress-free from start to finish. Our custom budget solutions help you build confidently with pricing that fits your goals. Let's bring your vision to life, on time and on budget. Call 206-736-3060 or visit handymanrescue.team to get started.